Hi, welcome to Sachin Study Tech. Today topic is greedy method. So what is meant by greedy method? When you can apply the greedy method, you can solve those particular problems. Now greedy method is an algorithmic paradigm that build up solutions to step by step, always making the choice that looks best at the moment. It does not guarantee an optimal solution for all the problems, but is efficient for specific classes of a problems. So characteristics of the greedy method. So greedy choice property, the locally optimal choice at each step leads to globally optimal solution. Optimal substructure, the optimal solution to a problem contains optimal solutions to its subproblems. So if you can solve any problem, okay, when you can apply the greedy method, it is a maximization problem or minimization problem. Okay, that is the optimization problem. So in optimization problem, some examples are minimization and maximization. For example, if you can get the maximum profit, that is the maximization problem. Okay, if you want to find out the shortest path, minimum cost spanning tree, in that is called as a minimization problem. So here if you can find out the optimal solutions, but here all feasible solutions, what is meant by feasible solution? If any solution or any subset which satisfies some constraints is called as a feasible solution. Feasible solution may or may not be a optimal solution. Now you can see general greedy method. These are the steps. Set up the problem in terms of n inputs that need to be processed. Find a optimal substructure. Identify a stepwise approach where locally choice lead to the global solution. Sort the input if required based on the specific criterion. Here iteratively select the best choice, greedy choice, based on the heuristic function. Here ensure feasibility, the solution must satisfy the given constraint. So repeat until the entire problem is solved. So obtain the final solution which is either optimal or a good approximation. So you can see the general method here. This is the algorithm. Greedy method control abstraction for the subset paradigm. Algorithm greedy a comma n. So here initialize the solution is pi. For I equal to 1 to n, do x equal to, can select a. If feasible solution comma x, then you can add that solution to the existing one. Here solution equal to union solution comma x, then can return that solution. So this is the general method. So later classes you can discuss how you can solve that particular problem by using this greedy method. Thank you for watching this video.